Yeah, welcome back. Kadubani dukan suhana ni ngwana ndo maongoni mafungo dzura hone. Zabe zora ri bambonane papa to dozor otori pa. Bone. Adum diwa msuano yori achimba hani ndikwamba Longwe Twala badumumbula ninge murawa kati ya jola next door. Hey rimba sizwa ngati mara dumuranga la spinga. Hendi wa over ndikwamba rikotse mu mjamisa mapolisani ngamafungo agunwe. Ngati kungorwa mazinjizo nyini kwamba kapacheke video kyane pa amupfuri Chicco uri mini akhomba ngalidukana la wori hayi mani ni konchonisa mani dzina langa liko chinyalanga nthani hano uri zwa senzo zwino ngafanoni ndikoutswa ene ndikoutsura pana chipa cha FF nikodori Julius mani man dine.
I always said it, but I so wish it was full clean so that you can rot in jail. Rot in jail. I will never stand for this shit. And I love it. Bloody shit. Yes, man. My name is destroyed. Everyone, when they see Chicco Twala, they see a criminal, they see a drug lord, they see all this shit. I worked hard for my name. I can't stand this bullshit. Fucking bastard. What's our guy? Put a bullet on him. If he runs away shooting, because he's under arrest at the moment. I'm his father. I can witness your shooting. The way he's running upon, I don't care. I'd rather bury you. You are better off dead than for you to destroy my name like this. Sense of Yiwa, stealing from people, drugs and all that. I can't stand this shit. You must never get bail. Never. We'll oppose that bail vigorously. I will oppose that bail. You must never get bail. You must go to jail. Bloody bastard. You were even wearing a EFF t-shirt when you were stealing. You know, you want Julius Malema to actually harass you, say Chicco stand what and all this shit. EFF doesn't stand for that shit. EFF doesn't stand for people who steal. You fucking bastard, man. Maredao.
So go download the music muso fresh. Baka website aninge www.venrapradiostation.co.za. Bachizifuna bari checka na ka channel yashu ntwa ndikomba website yashu brand new na fili Mpopo TV online.co.za ina video njinga manda dzane pa local hanepa kala South Africa na venda na hot na Limpopo Longwe food ish iya see ya amara here.